Hi everyone, I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do the 2-beat figure 8, which looks like this. So just to talk a little bit about why it's called a 2-beat figure 8, it touches a lot on planes, which is something we use a lot in flow. So in this particular trick, we're going to be using our wall plane, which is in front of us, and our dark plane, which is behind us. And on each plane, we're hitting 2 beats. So just to demonstrate, it looks like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's technically 4 total, but it is called a 2-beat figure 8 because it's 2 beats on each plane. So a little prereq for this trick, I'm going to say, is the reverse single beat figure 8, which is this one, because this is half the trick. So you're going to do the reverse single beat figure 8, 1, 2, and instead of going up and over again, this is where your wrist is going to roll down. So the back of your hand is facing forward and your elbow slightly turns up. And at the same time, you're swinging your arm back. And so you're using that twisting motion to propel the Flowstar behind you. So this is a very unique trick. When you're first learning, it can be really difficult because it's a new movement. My biggest tip, I'm going to say, is to just trust that motion and let the Flowstar do what it wants to, especially on that last beat behind you. It's going to feel like you're not going to have control for a second, but if you really trust that process, it will bring you right back into where you can start the trick all over again. Keep in mind, on that last beat, you're going to do the opposite and pull your arm up in front of you. So this is a really good trick to know. I think you can connect a lot of tricks off of it, but just to show you variations of stuff that you can do to play around with it, you can go slower, you can go fast, you can do a handoff, you can go up high, you can go down low. So yeah, that's the 2-beat figure 8. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe for more. I'm Arianne, and thank you for letting me show you how to do the 2-beat figure 8.